everyone, it's Amy and welcome back to my channel. For today's video, I wanted to show you a glittery eye makeup look. So without further ado, I think we should start this video. So I've already applied my makeup base, so I don't bore you too much with those makeup videos. And I've got this little glittery bottle that I've ordered from Wish. So I'm even more excited to kind of try it out. Let me show it up close. It's just so beautiful and I'm really excited to see if it actually works out. So I've got my Sweet Peach palette from Too Faced and I decided to use the tone Just Peachy. It is this shiny pink tone up here. I'm just gonna apply it all over the base and then go in with the glitter, like kind of blend it out, you know, and then just dab the glitter on and see what happens. Okay, so I dragged it down a little bit and I've just blended it all over my eyelid. And now to the fun part, I'm just gonna dab the glitter on. Oh, actually, I'm not too sure if I should take a brush or my fingers, so I'm just gonna kind of give it a try with a brush and see what happens. I'm just gonna dip it in. Ooh. Isn't that so beautiful? The first eye is already. I might add a couple of like bits and bobs from the glitter all over, but I'm gonna let it dry. And I actually dragged it out like down a little bit because I thought it would look very cute, and honestly, I'm not mad at it. I mean, this is not a makeup look you're gonna wear on a daily basis. This is for maybe a festival, a nice Instagram photo, a photo shoot, I don't know, but I just really wanted to try out this eye glitter and I think it's so cute. So I'm gonna let this dry, maybe add a little more, but I'm just gonna go over this eye. I'm done and ready with both eyes, and I actually added some more glitter on bolder spots, so I wanted to make this look complete. And now I'm gonna let this dry and apply some lip gloss. This is the Wet Cherry Gloss from Lime Crime. If you want to know more about these, because I actually love them so much, go check out one of my latest videos because I've unboxed them and tried them out for the first time, and there you can see my first reaction to them. So I'm just gonna apply lip gloss. That's all I actually wanted to say, but you know, I like to ramble a lot, so let's go. Last step, eyelashes. I'm just gonna apply mascara, and you know, I've got this little tool here, and then the look is finished and I love it so far, like the glossy and the glitter. That's my type, my style. So that's the finished makeup look. I think it's so sweet and so cute and just very nice for photo or festival or, you know, a concert or anything. Yeah, so that's basically it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and if you did, give it a like, give it a thumbs up, and if you want to follow me around on my little YouTube journey, subscribe to my channel and follow me on my Instagram at Robson Amy. I'm gonna blend it in right here and link it down below, and I guess I'll see you guys in my next one. And until then, I hope you're having an amazing day and an amazing week, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye! Mwah.